Welcome back to the Body Fix Fitness channel, and today is episode 2 of this gym barn renovation here behind me. So I have got a volunteer today to help me clean this place up. We're gonna sweep and see what we can get done today. Here he is somewhere. There he is. That's Barry, my fiance, and he doesn't like to be on camera as much. So anyway, we're going to work on this and see what we can get done today. And I didn't know this, but look here. We have some opening. Obviously, I know nothing about barns, so he got that open. We got a little bit of light in here. So let's get to work. We're getting some of this sweeping done. Got a pile started down here. And he's gonna cut that carpet out of here. And I'm prepared. Wearing my boots. So, back to work.
Canopy things, like big mesh,
Yeah.
black canopy things.
Yeah.
It might be really cool to go from like post to post to like kind of make it look like a more confined space. Well, too.
I like open.
Well, I can open too, but I'm just saying.
Especially when you're jumping. I like the high ceilings. That's what I
I'm not
like.
saying put it above us, I'm saying
Oh.
make like walls out of it.
Oh.
Down this side and down this side. I'm just saying if you're in here filming, have to get your tape measure, but I don't know how much. I mean, ideally it won't be cool, but canopies down, just down the side. Put a floor in here.
guys, so I want to thank you for watching today, and make sure you don't miss out on next week's episode because it's going to be a lot of fun. It's a fun episode. I'll be using some power tools and some paint, so we're doing all kinds of fun stuff in next episode. So make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out, and share it with your friends. We'd love to have more people in the BFF community. And make some comments down below what you think we should do during this barn gym renovation. I would love to hear your ideas. You never know, I may use some of those ideas. So I will see you next week. Now, the next barn gym renovation episode will be on Wednesday. But I will have some other episodes on not the barn gym, but some exercises. So you can also check those out. So those come out on Tuesday and Thursdays. So I will have all kinds of videos for you. And until next time, I will see you then. And we got us some lights. And Barry is going to hang them up here. I don't have to hang them.